When I was 6 years old, I broke my leg.
Right, we're going to roughly chop the all of this, peppers, carrot and spring onions, mainly because it's going into the blender or food processor. If you haven't got a food processor, you just chop it a little bit finer. Just add all of the roughly chopped veg straight into the blender. Blitz it for about 20 seconds. We've gone for the skinny sausages, so there's less fat in them from Aldi. It's quite good. Then we squeeze the sausage meat into the... This takes a bit of time and it gets really messy in your fingers as well. Wash your hands after handling raw meat. Blitz it for another 20 seconds. Okay, this is what it looks like. So in there we actually got 6 sausages. So if you think you need a palmful of protein as a minimum for per person in the house, and we've got a bit of extra in that. Okay, add everything into the pan, and while I'm adding all this stuff here, I'm also boiling the water for the pasta. As we said last week, match the amount of carbohydrates from the pasta you have to how much activity you've done, and we have been pretty active today. So at least a handful each, if not 2 per person. Let's chuck the whole bag. While that's all cooking, we'll just finally chop a bulb of garlic. So I normally just crush it, peel it and chop it. After about 10 minutes, it looks a little bit like that. We add the garlic. Just quickly stir that in there. And then, really important, is 4 tablespoons of balsamic vinegar. Just like that, so that's 1. After about 1 minute now, I add the tin of tomatoes. So that goes in there. And this is quite a good time if you want to add some chilli, fresh chilli or even chilli flakes. But I'm rubbish with hot food. Give it a little season as well with salt and pepper.
So long, oh how we've grown. I can't wait to go home.
Put it all together, pasta, got all that goodness. That's the finished product really. Loads of food. I did Finn Ellis's workout earlier as well, so I'm exhausted from that. Isla's got a little bit of cheese on there, so does Ollie. Lovely things.